Choosing an umbrella today isn't as simple as it seems. Between size, durability, wind resistance, and portability, every model has its strengths and its compromises. Whether you need something compact for everyday carry or a stronger option for heavy rain and wind, the right umbrella can make a big difference. In this video, I've selected the top 3 best umbrellas to help you stay protected in any weather, with reliable, practical, and well-designed options. So I started this top with this Beodini mini umbrella. And honestly, this is one of those products that really focuses on portability above everything else. The first thing that impressed me is how compact it is. Once folded, it's extremely small, way smaller than a typical umbrella. You can easily fit it in a handbag, a backpack, or even a jacket pocket. I carried it around daily, and it's the kind of item you can always keep with you without thinking about it. Despite its tiny size, it still performs well for light to moderate rain. I tested it during short rain showers, and it does the job, keeping your head and upper body protected. It's not a large canopy, so you won't be fully covered like with a big umbrella, but for quick use, it's clearly enough. One feature I didn't expect to use as much is the UV protection. On sunny days, it actually works really well as a sun umbrella. The inner layer helps block UV rays, which makes it useful not just in rainy weather, but also during hot days when you want a bit of shade. In terms of usability, it's very simple. It's a manual open and close system, so there's no button or automatic mechanism, but that also keeps it lightweight and less fragile. After a couple of uses, it becomes very quick to handle. The materials feel light, which is great for portability, but it also means you need to be a bit careful. The frame is flexible, and while it handles normal conditions well, it's not made for strong winds or heavy storms. You can feel that it's designed more for convenience than durability. I also like the fact that it comes with a case. It makes it easier to store after use and avoids getting the rest of your bag wet, which is a nice practical detail. In terms of design, it's clean and minimal, with different color options available. It looks simple but modern, which makes it easy to match with everyday use. Now, to be completely fair, this is not a heavy-duty umbrella. If you live in a place with strong winds or frequent heavy rain, this won't be your main umbrella. But that's not really the goal here. Overall, this is a very convenient and portable umbrella. It's perfect as a backup option you can carry everywhere, whether it's for unexpected rain or sun protection. If your priority is compact size and ease of transport, this is definitely a great choice. In second place, I tested this Bodyguard inverted umbrella, and this one is clearly a big upgrade compared to a classic compact umbrella. The first thing that stands out is the inverted design. At first, it feels a bit different, but once you use it, you quickly understand the advantage. When you close it, the wet side folds inward, which means you don't drip water everywhere. I tested it getting in and out of a car, and it actually makes a big difference. No more water on your clothes or on the floor. Another strong point is the size. It's larger than a mini umbrella, so it gives you much better coverage. I used it in heavier rain, and it protects you more effectively, especially if you're walking for a longer time. In terms of build quality, it feels more solid. The 12-rib construction gives it better resistance against wind. I tested it in slightly windy conditions, and it holds its shape much better than smaller umbrellas. It doesn't flip easily, which is a big advantage. The automatic open and close system is also very convenient. You can use it with one hand, which is super practical when you're carrying something else. It opens quickly and smoothly, making it easy to use on the go. I also like the reflective strip around the umbrella. It's a small detail, but it improves visibility in low light conditions, which is useful if you're walking at night or in the rain. In terms of portability, it's still compact enough to carry in a bag, even if it's a bit bigger than ultra-small models. It's a good balance between size and protection. Now, To be completely fair, it's not as tiny or lightweight as a pocket umbrella, so you do feel the difference when carrying it. And while it's more resistant, very strong winds can still be a challenge, like with most umbrellas. Overall, this is a very practical and well-designed umbrella. It offers better protection, smarter design, and more comfort in daily use. If you want something more reliable than a basic compact umbrella without going too bulky, this is definitely a great choice. And in first place, I tested this Repel windproof travel umbrella, and this one clearly stands out as the most balanced and reliable option in this top. The first thing I noticed is the overall build quality. It feels solid right out of the box. Not too heavy, but definitely more durable than most compact umbrellas. It gives you confidence that it can handle daily use without any problem. When I tested it in real conditions, especially in windy weather, it performed really well. The wind resistance is one of its biggest strengths. It doesn't flip easily, and even when the wind picks up, it keeps its shape much better than cheaper models. You can really feel the reinforced structure doing its job. Another big advantage is the automatic open and close system. With just one button, it opens instantly and closes just as easily. It's very smooth and practical, especially when you're in a hurry or holding something in your other hand. In terms of size, it's a great balance. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or a bag, but once opened, it provides enough coverage to keep you properly protected from rain. I tested it during longer walks, and it does a good job keeping you dry. The canopy material also feels high quality. Water repels quickly, and it dries faster than basic umbrellas, which is very convenient for everyday use. Another thing I liked is how portable it is. It's lightweight enough to carry around all day, and it comes with a sleeve, so you can store it easily without getting everything wet. In terms of comfort, the handle feels ergonomic and secure, which makes it easy to hold even in less ideal weather conditions. Now, to be completely fair, like most compact umbrellas, it's still not as large as a full-size umbrella, so coverage is slightly limited. And while it handles wind well, extreme conditions can still be challenging. But overall, this is the best all-around umbrella in this top 3. It combines durability, ease of use, and portability, making it perfect for everyday use. If you want something reliable that you can carry anywhere and trust in most weather conditions, this is definitely the one to go for. That's it for this top 3 best umbrellas. As you've seen, each model has its own strengths, whether you're looking for something ultra-compact, a more protective design, or a strong and reliable everyday umbrella. No matter which one you choose, all of these will help you stay dry and comfortable, while making your daily routine a lot easier in any weather. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.